Number 4. How to freeze frame football clips in CapCut PC, used for tactical football analysis. This can be used to pause a clip to show formations, player positions, or strategic setups. Want to freeze the perfect football moment? Let me show you how to freeze any frame in CapCut PC and make your edits look more professional. To get started, click Create Project and import your video clip into CapCut PC. Then, click to put the clip on the timeline. Now, crop the video clip to remove logo and scoreboard to avoid copyright issues. Scale the video to remove black parts of the video. Trim the video clip for the part you want. Now, select the frame of the video you want to freeze by just pausing the video at the exact spot you want to freeze frame. Once you have paused the video, split it at that spot and click the freeze frame button like so. The freeze frame will be about 2 to 4 seconds duration. You can adjust it as you want. With the frame freezed, you can add whatever effect you want. Here, I will just add zoom in and zoom out using keyframes. So, highlight the freezed frame and put the timeline player head at the beginning of the frame. Click on the diamond shape icon on the scale, like so. You will see a keyframe set at the beginning. Continue by moving the playhead forward and increasing or decreasing the scale as you want. That is it. Freeze frames are great for highlighting a key moment, introducing a player, analyzing tactics, or simply building dramatic tension before the action kicks off again. Please like and subscribe to grow the channel. Thanks.